As always guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
Today is finally the day a lot of you have been waiting for. Today we are finally announcing our winner for the Porsche Carrera Build Off Giveaway. I know a lot of you are very excited to see who's going to win. I know I am. And today we are going to do a giveaway, but also we are going to do a tutorial video on how to do comments, especially if you are a YouTuber and you don't know really where to go to do giveaways. So this is how I normally do giveaways. I've done one before and this is the way I did it. Also, I wanted to give a shout out to Matchbox Mark. Good luck, man. I know you won last time, but we have a bigger field of people here, so it's a very exciting race and I cannot wait to see who wins. I wish all of you the best of luck and I hope all of you can win. Also, speaking of winning, I'm going to be having another giveaway coming in, I would say, a couple weeks, so look out for that video. You never know, you have another chance to win. So guys, what I am starting here with is our video. So as you see here, this is the CDC Porsche Carrera Build Off Giveaway announcement video. 25 of you liked it, and there was 101 comments. Wow, very cool. Looking awesome with a lot of comments. Anyways, guys, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to start here on your YouTube video, and then you're going to want to go over here. You're going to click your plus button if you're on MacBook, and really any other device, and then you're going to search this website, commentpicker.com. So this one right here that pops up, so you've seen I've used it before. So this one is for a Facebook URL. That's not what we're needing. We're going to go up to YouTube. We're going to push random comment picker, let it load for a moment. Once it's loaded, you're going to go down here and go to YouTube contest options, and then what you're going to want to do is get your URL. So what your URL is right up here, you're going to click on this, you're going to push Command C if you're on Mac, and then you're going to go over back to the YouTube random comment picker website, and you're going to click on here and then push Command V if you're on MacBook. And then once it's pasted in, right as so, you're going to go to filter duplicates just in case. I know you guys are very good about that. No one really duplicated, and I really appreciate that. So thank you guys. It makes this website's life easier, it makes my life easier, and it gives us a fair race. So I really appreciate it. So once you are done putting the filter duplicate user on and you put your URL in, we're going to go down to get YouTube comments. Let it load. And then look at there is 39 different and unique comments. So once you get that and you know you're ready to go, you're going to push the start raffle and pick random winner button. And we're going to push right here. So guys, it is finally the time to see who's going to win this car. Alright, I'm going to push the button in 3, 2, 1. This is hilarious. I cannot win the car. I do not know why my name is in there. I know I commented. So we're going to draw again. That is not okay and not fair. So let's draw again. Let's see who the winner is going to be. Come on, give us someone good. Everyone's good, but let's see who's going to win. Double B Customs. Congratulations, man. You have 48 hours to collect your car. If you don't, we will do another drawing and someone else will win the car. Congratulations, man. Thank you everybody for signing up for this giveaway. I know it was a very out of the blue video last week. I am very grateful for all of you commenting and being supportive and wanting to win this car. So again, Double B's Customs, you have 48 hours to answer and email me at kudascole@gmail.com. Again, that is kudacole@gmail.com. That will be in the link below, and also it will be on the screen here eventually. So congratulations, man. I know it says such a killer Porsche. I'm not a Porsche fan, but man, this would be a good in my display case. Congrats on the 200 plus subs, and also keep up the great work. Dude, thank you very much for saying that. And look at you, you won the Porsche. Congratulations, man. email me and we'll start talking details. Alright guys, thank you for everything, and I will see you in the next one. We got a cool video coming up next week. I think it's pretty exciting, and I think you guys will too. So, again, I know I just said it, but thanks for stopping by. Stay classy, and we will see you all next week. Alright guys, bye.